We've come to Neist Point. I'm probably pronouncing that all wrong, but it's the most westerly point of Skye. Now that is a beautiful mountain range. Hopefully when the cloud clears you'll be able to see it because it looks awesome. It's a bit shit at the minute. There's something over there which we can climb, and the van's parked there. We're going to park up here for the night. It was a sketchy as hell road getting up here. I might actually get the GoPro out and time lapse it on the way out in the morning, but yeah, we'll stay here for the night. Hopefully either this evening or first thing tomorrow morning the weather will clear and I'll get the drone out and we'll be able to see that for what it is, because it does look spectacular. And since I've been here, which is about an hour, I've been trying to get an awesome shot of it, but I've been failing. So yeah, doing it. Sick. Oh, so to be fair, we've been pretty lucky with the weather until today, but yeah, let's see what shots I can get.
We gotta let the music play, 'cause life is still mystery.
Good morning. We're still at Neist Point. The weather is so much better today. There's a couple of vans parked up here overnight. You can probably see it behind me. There's a transporter, a Ducato or a Peugeot Boxer, whatever, they're the same van anyway, aren't they? So today we are going to head south of the island and head to Fairy Pools. Apparently need to go for a swim in there, so let's see how we get on. But first, tea.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right, make up for what I've lost. I was down, but
Right, we Deb? That was terrible. That was terrible. Right, we've arrived at Fairy Pools, Fairy Pools car park. A solid £8 to park in this car park with all other motorhomes. So I hope it's worth it. Everyone's telling us that it's worth it. You know what, Deb? Well, I say everyone. Your dad told us. And the man in the camper van, the man in the transport at the place we visited earlier. So I assume it's down that long track over there.
Sky, come on.
Sky's being vicious again. What are you doing? Oh my god.
Sky, come here.
Oh my god. Right, let's see if we can find this bloody thing, shall we?
things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settle in the world, like everything is new. much as I know it should. I wanna get out.
Seen any fairies yet? Not a fairy. So, I think these are the fairy pools. Do you agree, Deb? Can you see?
So.
Fairy pool? Can't see any fairies though. Does look nice. To jump in? Sky. There's only so many videos and photos of waterfalls I can take, to be honest. It was well worth visiting though. Have you ever seen water as clear as this? Don't know if it's doing it justice. Don't think it is. It's doing it justice. It's clear. Anyway, Deb's dragging me on a 5-mile walk now. So, should we finish the video there? We're going to go across to Fort William so I can do some mountain biking, hopefully. I'll try and get a drone shot of going over the Skye Bridge and then some scenery shots on the way out. Then next time I see you, we'll be in Fort William. What was that?